I think we need to look for stability, we need to look for development of the city, and we need to look for a more uniform working with the central government if we want the city to progress.
The exit polls suggest some kind of an advantage for the Aam Aadmi Party. Do you think this time around they've been able to script a turnaround? They have reoriented themselves as a new political force?
I think let the real exit polls come and let the real results come. I think we are now beyond the point of polling, so let's wait for the results.
For the BJP, the fact that they got Kiran Bedi at the very last moment, the import of Kiran Bedi has kind of like backfired for the BJP.
Well, I'm not here to make political analysis, but ultimately we are voting for the party, for either party, and it is up to the party to choose the leadership. I think the important thing is that whichever party comes into power, we need to make sure that there is no ultimate class divide, and every section of society, starting from the lowest to the upper and the middle class, is all looked after well, and the city develops.
In my mind, I think basically safety and security for the citizens, especially for women. I want to make sure that the streets of Delhi are safe, so that our mothers, our wives, our children, can actually freely walk about without having a fear or a concern. Secondly, we certainly need to address the pollution issue here and make sure that the pollution levels are less. Thirdly, I would say we need to focus on encouraging and having more people in the services sector come here, be it in the area of education, be it in the area of healthcare, or in the area of IT and IT-enabled services. There's a lot that Delhi offers. It's a smart city. It is the capital of the country, and I clearly believe that we can take this city to a different level and make sure it's a global city. So there's a lot to do for the new government, and I hope that everybody comes out, cast their vote, and we're able to put a strong government here. With a strong government at the center and a strong government at the state, we'll be able to move forward.
The exit polls suggest some kind of upper hand as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Do you think the voters in Delhi are ready to forgive that Arvind Kejriwal abandoned the government last time around in just 49 days?
I don't know what the polls are saying. I'm sure that in the next few days you will know what the people of Delhi have voted for.
I hope that Delhi is voting for good city life, and more than that, development of this city for the future.
Okay.
A stable, nice, peaceful city which is working for a futuristic existence.
So do you think that all opinion polls right now are giving Aam Aadmi Party an edge? Do you think if Aam Aadmi Party were to form the next government, its stance is largely pro-poor and pro-subsidy, do you think that is something that will affect business and business climate?
Well, I think anyone who forms the government will have to provide for all. They will have to provide for increasing the size of the economy, and thereby fulfilling the aspirations of all, whether it's the poor, whether it's the labor class, whether it's the middle class, or whether it's the industrialist or trader who's working in this city. I think they'll have to provide for all. It can't be just one way looking.
So in terms of wish list, or if you think top 5 things that this city needs, what according to you are those top 5 things?
I think, of course, development of infrastructure to meet the growing population which is in the city. Number 2, a good clean city with good municipal services, and number 3, I would place good environmental provision, that yes, the environment must be good, there must not be so much of pollution, people must lead a healthy life, and then the social sectors like, of course, education, health, and most important of all, underlying all these will be economic development and provision for economic activities. This is largely a services oriented city.
Right.
It cannot be a manufacturing city, and therefore let's hope that yes, the change of character comes in very soon.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.